Introducing the 2010 Chevrolet Avalanche. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission, GPS navigation will guide you to your destination. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Treat yourself to a premium sound system. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. Heated seats are a desirable comfort feature. Power and reliability are a great combination. This vehicle has both. Call today to schedule a test drive.